So feeling bloated? Dealing with constipation all your life, right? This is quite a common issue in today's digitalized world where there is no physical activity. Due to that, the stomach and intestines find it hard to crush the food into pieces, as a result of which constipation occurs. Over 20% of the population is getting affected, which takes a toll on your overall health. Remedies for constipation include heavy fiber food, laxatives, apple, water, and many more other products. Adding them to your routine will make you poop fast. So get rid of constipation with these foods. Check them out. 1. Water. One of the main reasons for constipation is not drinking enough water in a day. It is very important to drink at least 8 to 9 glasses of water per day, especially in summers, because the body loses water in the form of sweat. Other than water, you can go for lemon water that keeps you hydrated and full. Not only water, but any liquid without added sugar is good for the body. 2. Apples. Apples contain fiber, which helps the intestines to pass stool in a better way. Also, it promotes bowel movements, and because apple has pectin, a soluble fiber, it is perfect for laxative effect. Pectin improves digestive health and also reduces the symptoms of constipation. You can take apples in any form, like topping for yogurt or some nutritious snack. As they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, is very true. If you consume 1 apple daily, you will automatically get rid of many unknown health problems. 3. Full-fat milk. A study conducted at the Nutrition Institute suggests consuming calcium to get rid of constipation. While full-fat milk has plenty of calcium required for the body to metabolize fat, the increased calcium intake makes you poop fast. The fat, instead of sticking around the body, passes down easily and fast. 4. Whole grain cereal. Eating whole grain cereal in the morning is an excellent remedy for constipation. While whole grain cereal contains a healthy dose of fiber, it is best to relieve constipation. The doctors suggest oats and fiber cereals in the breakfast for weight loss and starting the day with healthy meals instead of those fried products. 5. Kiwi. Kiwi promotes regularity as it is extremely high in fiber. For 2.3 grams of fiber, 1 medium kiwi is enough. Have a kiwi and wait for it to stimulate digestive tract movement. Consuming kiwi for 4 weeks twice daily will show tremendous results to cut constipation. Also, it speeds up the transit time of the intestines and improves constipation symptoms. If you haven't tried kiwi in your whole life, go for it and enjoy its citrus taste. You might not like kiwi fruit if your sweet tooth is not fond of sour items. 6. Flax seeds. Flax seeds have numerous health benefits like high fiber content and promotion of regularity. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds has 3 grams of both soluble and insoluble fiber. In a study conducted on mice, there were good effects on constipation over 14 days period. While the stool frequency and weight were increased, it also speed up intestinal transit. Consume flax seeds in soups, oats, and yogurt to increase fiber intake. 7. Prunes. Prunes contain 2 grams of fiber each ounce and are a good source of sorbitol. While sorbitol improves constipation by drawing water into the intestines, it also spurs bowel movement. Prunes are perfect to soften stool, increasing stool frequency, and improving stool consistency, as per a study conducted. Also, prunes have showed improvements in the digestive system of constipated people. Garnish the salads with prunes and enjoy the delicious taste. Other than that, a small glass of prune juice without sugar has multiple health benefits along with constipation busting. 8. Bananas. Bananas are my favorite snack food. Whenever I feel hungry in the morning or noon, or for that matter, any time of the day, banana is my go-to food. As it is rich in fiber content, it normalizes bowel movement and also pushes the body's waste to go down easily. Not only does it help in making stools easier to pass, but it also helps in diarrhea. It binds anyone suffering from diarrhea and is also an amazing food for healthy microbes present in your gut. Because bananas contain probiotics, they are important for the body. 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes contain 4 grams of fiber that is mostly insoluble. It enhances bowel movements, and the intake of sweet potatoes showed improvement in leukemia patients. Also, the people consuming sweet potatoes stay comfortable and less strained throughout the day. You can consume sweet potato in any form, i.e. mashed, roasted, sauté, or baked. 10. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and other leafy green vegetables contain fiber which helps you poop fast. It is because the fiber adds bulk to stool, making it easier to get through the system. No doubts though. Constipation is quite common, and instead of taking medications, these above-mentioned foods will help a lot in pooping fast. Yes, medications are helpful, but they pose health risks at some point in life which you may not realize now. To avoid any harsh effects, we suggest consuming these foods and leading a healthy life. People taking high fiber, healthy diet, and workouts never face constipation issues. Drink a lot of water and add these foods to your routine to increase stool frequency and eliminate constipation.